Ni hao. Welcome back to Chinese. I'm Bo.
Ni hao, everyone. I'm Ling. Today, we are learning the most important words in any language. Yes and no.
Oh, that is so important. If someone asks me a question, how do I just say yes?
To agree or say yes, we say sure.
是. It sounds a little bit like the English word sure. 是.
Sure. Exactly. Now, to say no, we just add the word 不 in front of it. 不是.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat after me.
是. 不是.
Sure. 不是. Got it. What about good and bad?
Well, you already know the word for good. It's 好, just like in 你好.
Oh, right. 好. So if no is 不, is bad 不好?
Sure. You are a natural, Bo. 不好 means not good or bad.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
好. 不好.
Wow, I can agree and disagree in Chinese now. This is great.
很好. Let's do a final review together. Listen and repeat out loud.
Yes and no.
是不是 Good and bad. 好不好
很好. Keep practicing your listening, everyone.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss lesson 4.
谢谢再见
再见.
再见，下次见。